Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by examining the screen for debris, oil, or moisture on the glass. Clean the display gently with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl wipe if needed. Next, perform a forced restart by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds. Wait for the Apple logo to appear before releasing both buttons. If the screen still fails, plug the iPad into a charger and charge until at least 50% battery. A low battery can cause touch responsiveness issues on some models. Open Settings and confirm your iPad is running the latest iPad OS update available. Install any updates and restart the device after installation finishes. Next, check accessibility settings and disable assistive touch or touch accommodations if they are enabled. These features can change touch behavior and cause apparent unresponsiveness. If problems continue, back up your device and perform a full restore using Finder or iTunes on a computer. Restore from a stable backup to return settings and apps without introducing corrupted system files. Inspect the iPad for physical damage such as cracks, warping, or liquid exposure signs. Cracked glass or a failing digitizer requires screen replacement by Apple or an authorized repair provider. Test with a known good charger and cable to rule out intermittent power or charging problems causing touch lag. If the device still does not respond, the issue may be a faulty digitizer or internal board component. In that case, contact Apple support or a certified technician for diagnostics and professional repair options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.